Hi there, this is just a short video showing you how to get your soot levels displayed on the Carista app. So first of all, you need your device, your phone or your tablet, whatever you're using for Carista, and your dongle. So what I'll do is go there, and then as you can see it's got Carista there, and I'll click on Carista. I'll make sure it's plugged in as well underneath on the OBD. And also make sure your ignition lights are on. So I'll press connect. As I've already been using Carista with this app, it'll take me straight through. If not, it will prompt you to say to you which type of OBD are you using. So we've got services there. Then you've got diesel particulate filter there, can you see? And that'll just scan it quickly and give you soot level. And that's saying 18.5. And it says underneath regeneration is usually not necessarily at this soot level. Let's give you another measure underneath. So that's it. If you want to do a regen, you click start. .58. Thank you for watching.